Hello guys, welcome to Programming World. Today we are going to see how to install LeanFT. There are two ways to get LeanFT: as an UFT plugin or as a standalone application. While installing UFT, you can select LeanFT plugin from Wizard, or you can also get it as in standalone applications from Micro Focus website. Link been provided in video description. Please make sure you install Node.js before installing LeanFT. So once downloaded, run the setup file, you will see Wizard gets displayed. Select LeanFT to be installed on hard drive as shown, and click on Next. On LeanFT configuration window, select Full Installation, and select the IDEs which you want to use. Only installed IDEs will be enabled. In my case, I will be installing plugins for IntelliJ IDE and Selenium. Click IntelliJ IDE checkbox. If you are having multiple version of IntelliJ IDE, then select Versions button will get enabled, from where you can select IntelliJ IDE version. If you are having Visual Studio installed, then that too will get enabled, selecting which you can install LeanFT plugin for Visual Studio as well. For Selenium, provide the path of eclipse.exe file by clicking on Change button. Point to note here, you have to provide path for eclipse.exe file here. Click on Next, it will install the plugin and setup will get finished. Once setup is done, just verify if LeanFT runtime is available in all programs. Now launch IntelliJ IDE and create new project. You will be able to see an entry for LeanFT. Similarly, while creating new project through Selenium, LeanFT will be available. Once project is created, you will be able to see a new menu item called LeanFT. More about this menu item we will see in next session. That's it from this session. If you have any queries from this session, please feel free to drop a message in comment section. I will see you in some other session. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy, bye.
Thanks for watching. Drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Programming World.